girl?
I don't have it, Biff, I swear.
Listen. You better come up with it, or I'm gonna have to slap you around. You understand me?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
The hell is this? The circus in town, man? Get out of here before I hurt you.
Let the lady go.
You want to take her place?
No. But I will if I have to.
Don't you know, man? I'll beat you like you're one of my.
Slap me around and call me Susan.
I warned you, Susan.
Someone should help that lady. You give up? Or you want me to get rough with you?
Listen, you little creep. You got 3 seconds to get the hell out of here. 1,
2, 3. Go ahead and shoot.
Listen, look what you made me do now. I had to kill a guy in this goddamn alley. Give me my money.
Wanna try it again, pal?
The hell are you?
Why don't you shoot him in the head?
Yeah, shoot him in the head. That's right. I'm gonna shoot him in the head.
Uh-oh.
Kevin!
Come on, get out of here, Derek. Come on.
Don't call me by my real name! You're blowing my secret identity!
Nobody knows who you are. Come on, let's go, loony man. Leave you. That stupid costume.
I almost had him, Kevin.
Like what I did?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna karate chop him right in his...
Just come on.